let's go say hi to the fishies. How about that?
So proud, baby.
Thank you. Thank you for your guys' help. Welcome, guys. Brothers Underwater Recovery here. I've got Jacob, Chaos Divers, with me. We got Glenn from Mermet Springs. I want to thank Glenn for hooking me and Jacob up with these new regulators, computer and everything that I needed to continue diving with Jacob.
And thank you all.
I want to thank Jacob for helping me out on his channel and all you great people out there that have helped me get these. It is awesome and I really appreciate it.
Yes, thank you guys. There you go, buddy.
Thank you.
Good job.
Thank you, Glenn. On that note,
I'm gonna step out of the way.
like I said, this is Mermet Springs. Come and see Glenn. If you guys don't have a dive facility, highly recommend this place. They are some great people. Glenn, if you would, tell them, you know, how to get here. And
well, probably the best way to find us is our website, which is mermetsprings.com. But we do train divers. We train between 400 and 500 people each year. We've got a full service dive shop, a dive center, and we do group travel literally around the world. In 2.5 months, we're headed to Indonesia. So if it's something you've ever thought about doing, we have Scuba events coming up at the Hub and at SIU. If you go to our website, you can see those. There's a lot of opportunities to learn to dive and to dive in Southern Illinois. Like these guys have shown you, there's a lot of interesting things to do out there once you learn to get underwater and do it safely.
absolutely. If they can train me, they can train you.
Hey guys.
Thank you, Glenn.
You're very welcome.
And here you go, Mr. Open Water and
Awesome.
Dry Suit Diver.
Awesome.
Congrats.
Thank you, Miss
Here, let
Tish.
me-
Oop.
I'll put these in over here for you.
So there's my certifications, guys.
Your cards.
Got a whole lot more to go, but this is a start of it. Thank you.
Congratulations for becoming a diver.
Thank you, buddy.
Thank you for keeping me safe.
You're gonna
You
have
better keep
to.
me safe too.
You're gonna have to watch him. Did y'all watch the? Did you watch the video to see whose giant shark was the best?
It was his. It was his.
Look who just showed up. My brother come down from St. Louis.
Yeah, a little disturbing today.
Gonna get his dry suit certification. He ended up having to get some medical papers filled out before he can do his dry suit certification. We're just hanging out with Jacob. He's gonna put his boat in the water and try out the new 360 sonar that he just got in at Mermet Springs. So that way we can see what planes and trucks and vehicles and all that looks like under the water with this new sonar. So guys, here's the setup. Got the sonar 360 right there. The nice little bracket that he had made. Okay guys, so we're gonna get out of here. Jacob's gonna take the boat out. Like I said earlier, he's gonna do some sonar and stuff. I've got to get out of here. I've got prior engagements. Until next time, stick with us, guys.
Keep diving. It's not worth it to stop. We're gonna go out here and have some little fun, and then want to check out his Facebook at Brothers Underwater Recovery. One word.
Guys, if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to my channel and Jacob. Thank you guys for watching. Good?
Yeah. All right, guys. Go get you guys some pictures, and thanks again for all your support. We love you.
See you guys.
Let me give you a little bit of an idea where we're at. You guys know where the training platform is with the concrete petting zoo. That's what that is. And we have the motorcycle. We got the school bus. All right, I'm getting the hang of it now. The deeper I go, the more range I got to put on it. Okay, so there's the nose of the plane.